What's up guys, welcome back with me Cine Compare, and today I have another comparison video for you guys between two pairs of Nike GT Cat 2 Dare to Fly colorway. So let's check it out. As you can see here on the first sample, on the marking area here, the purple layer here slightly lower, slightly go down, and also this one is not, the line here isn't connect. This one is, look at my pointer. On the authentic one, you can see the line here is connect between the purple layer and the midsole here. The line is connect. Another sample, you can see there's a white glue stain. It's looking terrible on the fake one. And another sample also, you can see the cut here is looking terrible. It's a little bit off, a little bit bigger here than this one. Another sample also, you can see this one is a little bit off. The placement of the plastic here, the curved plastic, slightly go down, slightly to the left. Should be centered like this, looking very good on the authentic. And moving to the inside part of the shoes, as you can see here, the cut, you can see the cut of the lining here is looking terrible on the fake one compared to the authentic. And also this one on the pattern, you can see on the authentic one, between the pattern here and the Nike shoes there is a little bit gap, whereas on the fake one you can see there is no gap. Another sample again, you can see the plastic here, the curved plastic is off. It's looking terrible. Looking from above here, as you can see here on the two box, there is a empty space. You can see here between the pattern and the two box here. However, on the fake one, you can see there is no white space here, quite empty space. Moving to the back of the shoes, as you can see on the marking area, the Nike word here slightly go down. There is no gap, whereas on the authentic one, you can see there is a little bit gap here, little bit space. And take a closer look, you can see the Nike word here is a little bit slanted. However, on the authentic one, it's straight vertical like this. And this one also, you can see it's not centered. Between the Nike word, the upper heel and the ankle protection here, the plastic is not centered. And this one also, the Nike word here slightly go down. There is no gap here compared to the authentic one. And another sample again, you can see there are a lot of glue stain on the fake one than on the authentic. The authentic is looking very clean. Alright guys, that's my explanation. I hope you get it, and if you have any question and requests, just leave the comment down below, let me know, and see you on the next video.